After watching this video, nothing will ever be the same again. In just a few minutes, you'll understand how to make so much money that you won't even know how to spend it all. This video will show you how to make 2025 the best year of your entire life. To achieve all of this, you simply need to disappear for a few weeks and come back completely transformed. This isn't about generic advice like be disciplined or quit social media. By the end of this video, you'll have the 5 keys that can help you earn $10,000 per month with your own business in 2025. Most advice today about succeeding in life and launching a business completely misses the mark. We're constantly told about work-life balance, working sustainably, and showing consistency. However, the best way to achieve these goals is completely different. If you take a moment today to stop and look back, comparing the life you had 1 year ago to the life you have today, you may have progressed in some areas. A few small things have changed, but fundamentally, your life is probably very similar to what it was a year ago. Yet this isn't what happens in the lives of a small group of people. About 1% of the population today has a completely different life from their life 1 year ago. This small group of people has understood something crucial: the power of intensity. The power of intensity. The first time I realized this, I must have been 16 years old. I had been learning German at school for 6 years. Since I'm from Switzerland, we have to learn German, and I was terrible at it. I was completely hopeless. I couldn't string 2 words together. Yet I had spent 6 years taking several hours of German classes per week. I had done my German homework at home, learned my vocabulary, read books in German, and so on. Despite all this, I was still terrible. Then, around age 16, I went on an exchange program to Germany. After just 2 months, I could talk to everyone. I was very fluent in German and spoke really well. In 2 months in Germany, I had learned more than in 6 years of German classes at school. This might seem obvious with languages, but exactly the same thing happens in business. Most people want to launch a business and succeed by watching a YouTube video here and there, working on their business 1 afternoon per week, and so on. The problem is that by functioning this way, even if done long-term, even for 6 years, you can end up with no results after those 6 years. Most people are like dim light bulbs. I can already see people in the comments saying, "Yes, but I don't have time. I can't work 12 hours a day. I have kids, studies, exams, a job, obligations, etc." Let me reassure you, there's absolutely no need to put your entire life on pause to successfully launch a business that makes $10,000 per month. However, you'll have infinitely better results if you decide that for the next 30, 60, or 90 days, your number one focus will be launching your business and dedicating the maximum number of hours you can, whether that's 1, 2, or 3 hours per day, to this goal. It's better to work 1 hour per day every day for the next 90 days than to work 2 to 3 hours per week for the following year. You need to give yourself an end date, a short and precise period, a real challenge with a finish line, so you can give everything during that period. Stop doing multiple things at once. If you have several goals this year, don't try to accomplish them all simultaneously. Put all your focus on one goal at a time. Since you clicked on this video because you want to earn more money and gain independence, I recommend starting with the goal of successfully creating a business that makes $10,000 per month within the next 3 months. Knowing how to seize an opportunity. Step 1 is complete. You've made the decision to be focused, to have the success of your business as your number one priority for the next few months. Now, the second key to earning $10,000 per month is knowing how to seize an opportunity. Most people think they've unfortunately missed the best opportunities: cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, e-commerce, social media. All of these opportunities have created thousands of millionaires. People who started from zero but launched at the right time and completely changed their lives because of it. If you're watching this video, you're probably telling yourself that the next time an opportunity like this exists, you'll jump on it and be one of those who take action. Yet the reality is quite different. Most people who missed these opportunities will also miss the opportunities that present themselves in 2025, because the reason they didn't launch earlier wasn't that they were unaware of the opportunities, but because they didn't know how to seize an opportunity. They weren't informed early enough that an opportunity existed, or they hesitated for too long and let the right moment to launch slip away. You need to understand two things to seize opportunities correctly. First, you need to realize that we always feel like we're late. When I started on YouTube, I already saw YouTubers with millions of subscribers, and I thought it was too bad. I should have started 3 years earlier. It was too late for me. Yet today, most people when they look at me think, oh, this guy is a veteran, he launched at the right time, that's why he succeeded. When I launched, most people around me were telling me it was too late. I thought it was too late, but I did it anyway, because I loved making videos too much. Same thing when I started online business. Most people told me it worked 2 years ago. You're late. There are already people in this niche, etc. But I did it anyway, because I wanted to see, and today people tell me I launched at the right time. You can ask any entrepreneur, any investor, when they launched into the opportunity that changed their life, they thought they were late, and most people around them thought they were late. So don't be afraid to launch, even if the opportunity has already existed for a few months or years. It's not a problem. Second, you need to understand that an opportunity can be seized in different ways at different times. Let me explain. There are people who made millions in crypto with starting capital of just a few $1,000s by investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2016-2017. There are people who made just as much money investing in 2019 because they invested in other cryptocurrencies like BNB or Solana. Some people changed their lives by launching on YouTube 5 years ago, and others changed their lives by launching on YouTube 2 years ago because they used YouTube Shorts or launched with a different type of video. Most people don't understand this. They think becoming a YouTuber is an opportunity in general, so they look at the biggest YouTubers and say, they launched 10 years ago, it's over for me. But actually, there are plenty of different opportunities within YouTube. Same for crypto, same for real estate, same for e-commerce, same for all business models. The biggest barrier that actually prevents people from seizing good opportunities is simply fear. Because when we launch, when we do something new, when we do something different from our surroundings, we have to step out of our comfort zone, and that's scary. It takes courage. It's like jumping off the diving board at the pool. We know that fundamentally, nothing can really happen to us. We might hurt ourselves a little on landing, but there's no real risk. Well, today business is the same thing. There are no more real risks. You might lose a little money, but it remains minimal. You might lose a little time, but it remains minimal on the scale of a lifetime. You're not putting your career or relationships at stake. It's like jumping off a diving board. Almost nothing can happen to us, but it's still scary. Most people don't dare jump off the diving board at the pool, and most people don't dare seize opportunities for the same reason: fear. If you think today that it's not fear holding you back, because we all tend to think emotions don't affect us, they only affect others, well, by the end of this video, I'm going to present what I believe is the biggest opportunity that has existed in the online business world over the last 10 years. We'll see whether you're going to take action, whether you're going to jump off the diving board, or whether you're going to remain frozen by fear, following a precise recipe. The third key to reaching $10,000 per month in 2025 is following a precise cooking recipe. When I was a kid, I wanted to learn how to cook. I think I had tried to make pasta with tomato sauce on my own, and I went freestyle mode. I made my pasta with tomato sauce, and it was disgusting. Really inedible, so I thought I was terrible at cooking. Then, a few years later, my mother bought a cookbook. She just left it on the counter, and one day I started reading the book. I saw a photo of a magnificent tiramisu and thought, okay, I'm going to get back into it. I'm going to try to make this tiramisu. I took the recipe, went shopping for ingredients with my mother, and followed the recipe very meticulously. I took my time, asked my mother questions whenever I didn't understand something, and for several hours I cooked this tiramisu. At the end, I tasted the tiramisu, and it was delicious. Really, really good. That day, I understood the power of following a step-by-step process. Most people who try to cook will either do it by instinct or quickly watch a video on YouTube and then try to reproduce things. In the end, it doesn't taste very good, so they think they're not good at cooking. In reality, if they had taken a very precise recipe and taken the time to apply exactly what was explained in the recipe without wanting to improvise, they could have cooked almost as well as a professional chef. Business is the same thing. Many people want to rely on their instinct. They've seen someone cook 2 or 3 times, maybe followed a recipe in the past, and they want to remake it from memory. They've seen a little video and want to remake it from memory. In business, people improvise. They watch a few YouTube videos, ask a few questions, and then go with their gut. The problem is that instinct, when you're a beginner at something, is completely unreliable. That's why, if you're serious and really want to make $10,000 per month with your business in 2025, you need a cooking recipe that you can follow meticulously, without improvising, without going freestyle, without relying on instinct. Because if you follow a cooking recipe that has been prepared by a chef, prepared by an entrepreneur who has already achieved the results you want to achieve, if you follow this cooking recipe to the letter, you're almost guaranteed to succeed. Having the right environment. The 4th key to succeeding this year is having the right environment. Imagine that succeeding in earning $10,000 per month is like successfully growing a watermelon. Well, this watermelon, if it has the right weather, the right climate, the right humidity, the right nutrients in the soil, etc., will grow without too much trouble. Conversely, if we take this same watermelon and bring it to Alaska, for example, it's almost impossible for it to grow. The climate and environment aren't suitable. Well, launching a successful business is the same thing. If you're in the wrong climate, if around you have people who have never been entrepreneurs, who have no financial education, who demotivate you and give you bad advice all day long, it's very, very unlikely that you'll manage to grow your watermelon, that you'll manage to make your business succeed. The problem is that today, it's probably very difficult for you to develop your business in a perfect environment. You live in Alaska. You can't teleport yourself to Florida. It's not possible. But there is a solution. Do you know how we manage to grow watermelons in colder climates? We build a greenhouse. We create an artificial environment that resembles the ideal environment for growing watermelons. Well, we can do the same thing in business. We can create an artificial environment that will allow you to succeed in business. How do we do this? We create a group of people with the same motivations, the same ambitions, and we stay in contact with them online. We make sure we can exchange with people who have experience and who can guide us correctly. This artificial greenhouse environment is crucial because your current environment might be full of well-meaning family and friends who, without realizing it, are dream killers. They say things like, "Be realistic, that's too risky," or "You should stick with your stable job." These people aren't trying to hurt you, but they're operating from a scarcity mindset and limited experience with entrepreneurship. In contrast, when you surround yourself with other entrepreneurs and ambitious people, even virtually, you start to normalize success. You see that making $10,000 per month isn't some impossible fantasy, it's a realistic goal that many people achieve. You learn from their mistakes, get motivated by their wins, and most importantly, you get the support you need when things get tough. Choosing the right opportunity. The 5th key to earning $10,000 per month in 2025 is choosing the right opportunity. I won't lie to you, when you're a beginner, this isn't easy because there are dozens and dozens of opportunities available at the same time. Without experience, it's very difficult to differentiate which ones are truly worth pursuing. This is why, for several months, my team and I compared more than 100 opportunities that could allow someone to earn $10,000 per month in 2025. A few weeks ago, we discovered a brand new opportunity that's making waves in the United States. According to our estimates, this opportunity will represent $17.5 billion next year, and almost no one is seizing it at the French-speaking level. Imagine that. There's virtually no competition in this niche. This opportunity checks all the boxes. No need for a lot of starting capital. You can do it with less than $100. No need for special skills. No need to show your face. No need to sell or negotiate. No need to film yourself. No need to get a bank loan. No need to invest money up front. No need to have an extraordinary idea. In addition to all this, this opportunity makes me a little nostalgic because it closely resembles the opportunity that allowed me, a few years ago, to completely change my life and go from being a broke student to becoming a millionaire through online business. This opportunity is a completely new way of doing e-commerce. I've never talked about it before. It just came out. It's happening right now. The timing is perfect because we're at the very beginning of this wave. What makes this particularly exciting is that it combines the accessibility of traditional e-commerce with cutting-edge technology that removes most of the traditional barriers. You don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, customer service, or any of the typical headaches that come with running an online store. The beauty of this model is that it's scalable from day one. Unlike traditional businesses where you need to gradually build up infrastructure, this allows you to potentially reach significant revenue levels very quickly if you execute properly. But here's the thing, and this ties back to what we discussed about fear being the biggest obstacle. Knowing about this opportunity means nothing if you don't take action. Information without implementation is just entertainment. The difference between those who will capitalize on this opportunity and those who will look back in a year wishing they had started is not knowledge, intelligence, or even resources. It's the willingness to step out of your comfort zone and take that first scary step. Remember, every successful entrepreneur felt like they were starting too late, felt unprepared, and felt scared. The difference is they did it anyway. They jumped off the diving board despite the fear. So the question isn't whether this opportunity is real or whether it can work. The question is whether you're ready to overcome the fear that's been holding you back and finally take action on the goals you've been talking about for months or even years. The choice is yours, but remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.